Okay, let's look at this question. A car races around a 1 mile racetrack. The data in the table below tells us the total time elapsed during the race as the car completes each lap. And they gave you data here, like at the beginning is 0, 0. And there is 1 lap completed, that's 0 minute 40 seconds. And then 2 laps finish, yes, 1 minute and 18 seconds, like that, okay? So you know how to read the data, because they gave you here the units is what? Minutes and the seconds, okay? So the first number, this is 3 minutes. This is what? 37 seconds. That's the time used to finish what? The from 1 to 6 laps, like that, okay? You see here, the data below tells you that there's the total time elapsed during the race as the car completed each laps. Now, what is the average velocity in miles per hour of the car over the first 10 laps? So if it's the first 10 laps, we need to look at what? The beginning here. We need to look at the beginning here. And we need to look at what? The last one here. Means one time, this is about the time and the distance, okay? Coordinates. Means 0 second, 0 minute, 0 second there. The car is at the beginning, so the 0 distance traveled, right? And then if you go, the time is 6 minutes, 5 seconds. And then the car finished how many miles? 10 miles, because each lap is 1 mile. This is a 1 mile track, racetrack. So each mile is 1 lap. Okay, so if when you finish 10 laps, the distance will be 10 miles. Be careful here. This unit is miles. But this unit is what? The minutes and second, okay? So, in general, we just use find the slope of these 2 dots. We can find the answer. But before we do that, we need to change to what? Miles per hour, this units, okay? Miles is there already, no need to change. Just this part you gotta change, okay? How do you change this one? You use this is 5 seconds, okay? You divide this one by 60. You're gonna change how many what? Let's do that one, okay? So you can do 5 divided by 60. You can change the minutes. It's about, okay? This is about like a 0.0833 there. That's a minutes, right? But you gotta add by what? The 6 minutes. 6 minutes, huh? So you got what? 6.0833, like this many minutes. Total finish the 10 laps. And then this one, you need divided by what? 60 again to change how many, change to how many hours. If you do that, let me see here. 6.0823, so that's fine. And divided by 60, it will be 0.10138888, like that, okay? This is rounded off. And then you can find the average speed now, average velocity, okay? So the velocity will be equals to 10 final position minus 0. this one minus this one, okay? Over the time. Time is what? 0.101388888. Of course, this is estimation minus 0. So we simply do this one divided by, so 10 divided by this one, right? And so we will get what? When we do this division, we will get 98.63. Of course, this time is what? Miles per hour, right? So this is the answer there. Let's check which one is the choice. The B is the choice here. Okay, let's recall what we did for the whole thing here. At the beginning, they told you this is they gave you this table there. We analyzed how to read the table. This is the minutes, this is the seconds, and then we add all the, we find out at the beginning 0, 0, that's the starting point. Time is 0, the lapse is 0. And then 10 laps later, the time is this. Because you are finding the average velocity in between this one and this one. So simply use y2, this is considered as, because that's the slope, huh? Remember that? Because actually we're doing, find the average speed, we're finding slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, like that. Huh? So this is called y2 minus y1. Okay, this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, like this. But the only thing, be careful here is we need to change the minutes, second, the units here. We need to change to what? Hour. Okay, we did a 5 seconds divided by 60 first, change that one to minutes and add to the 6 minutes. We got this many minutes, and then we know 1 hour you have 60 minutes. So if you have a minutes number, you change to hour, you have to divide it by 60. So that's the way we got this answer there. Okay. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.